Hey guys, and welcome to My Lane Perspective. It's a new automotive channel that I made so I can share my adventures of cars with you. For years I've watched YouTube videos and I've seen what other people have done with their projects, which inspired me to work on my own, but I never documented it or shared any of that with anyone. So today I'm looking to change that. I'm gonna start filming what I do and take you guys along with me as I work on some cars. For this first video, I've actually already picked up a new car. It's just outside, so I'm gonna go get it. But while I go get the car, let me grab the keys here and I'll show you some footage from a couple months ago before I had tons of snow on the ground. And it'll give you an idea of kind of what we're in for. So hang tight, I'm gonna go get the car and we'll take a look at what we got going on. And here you have it, guys, my new project car, a 2006 Acura TL. The third generation Acura TL came out in 04 and went through the 2008 model year, so this one is right in the middle of its life cycle. For a 2006 model year, this Acura has aged incredibly well. It still looks like a modern car, at least by my standards. Hondas and Acuras from this era aren't known for their power. This one does have a 3.2 liter, which produces over 250 horsepower. While it doesn't have the navigation system, which would have been outdated anyways, it does have the timeless 6-speed manual transmission. Anyone who's had an Acura from the early 2000s knows, well, the Acura leather wasn't the best. One of the few modifications that the previous owner did make was this custom front crack in the bumper, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed, as well as just cleaning up the front wheels and brakes. Coming to the back window here, you can see that the seal around it isn't quite right, so I'm going to have to get that replaced, and that may have been the reason that there was water in the trunk when I first bought the car. Coming to the rear bumper, you guys can see that it's got some scratches and nicks, and overall it's going to need to be touched up. Ultimately, I may need to repaint the entire bumper, but I always try to leave the manufacturer's paint because it's better than anything I can do in my garage at home. Alrighty guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I have it here in the garage, and I actually already have done a fair amount of work to it. What I did was I did some work in the summer, I did some in the fall, and then I just finished it here in the winter. So I've got a lot of footage to go through, and I'm gonna try to edit it all together so that I can take you chronologically through how I fixed this car. But it's coming together really well. At this point, there's still just a couple things I need to finish up, but I'll document all of that for you guys in a future video. So coming up next is gonna be the front end, things like the headlights, the brakes, and the lower control arm. So all of that should be coming to you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.